Hello, Plannerette, and welcome to the Mariane Cresp Podcast. I'm Marianne, and this is your calm space for gentle planning, joyful self-care, and feeling a little more like you again, one step at a time. Today, I want to talk to you about a feeling I think we all know too well, that heavy, frustrating sense of being stuck. You know, those days when the planner's open, the to-do list is sitting there, and yet nothing's happening. You know what to do, but you can't seem to do any of it. And the longer you sit in that fog, the worse it feels. Cue the self-doubt, guilt, or maybe even the urge to just close it all up and walk away. Sound familiar? You know, this actually happened to me just last week. I had things planned. It was all written in my planner. I knew what I needed to do, but I just couldn't do it. I didn't feel like myself. I felt a bit lost, like I was floating around inside my own life. And I knew deep down that I wasn't being lazy, but I still couldn't figure out why I couldn't start. So instead of forcing it, I decided to take a different approach. I let myself go gently. I used my planner to choose just 1 to 3 small priorities each day, and if nothing else got done, that was okay. I got outside for fresh air. I ate fruit. I connected with friends and my community. I rested when I needed to. And I started writing down how I was feeling, just getting it out of my head and onto paper. No pressure, no shame. And that's what helped me move through it, not with force, but with kindness. So today I want to walk you through a simple ritual, the same kind of reset I gave myself. Something you can do when you're stuck, tired, or just off, and it only takes 15 minutes, and it might be just what you need. Here's the thing I want you to hear loud and clear. Feeling stuck doesn't mean you're lazy. It doesn't mean you've failed. It means your system is asking for a pause, not punishment. Most of us try to fix stuckness by doing more. We look for a new planner, a new routine, a new system. But being stuck usually isn't a doing problem, it's a feeling problem. So what's the real first step? It's not pushing forward, it's pausing and naming what's really going on. You don't need to fix anything yet. You just need to witness it, because stuckness thrives in silence and shame. But once you name it, it loses power. You bring it to light. And that's what I want to walk you through today. A gentle 5-step ritual you can do in just 15 minutes to help shift your energy and get unstuck, even on the hardest days. So if you're somewhere quiet or even just listening while walking or doing the dishes, I want you to take this in and know this is for you. The 15-minute reset ritual. This is a gentle way to pause, reflect, and reset your energy. No pressure, no fixing, just soft movement forward. Are you ready? Step 1, set a timer for 15 minutes. Find a quiet spot if you can, put on soft music if that feels good, and let this be your time, even if it's just a pocket of peace between everything else. No guilt, no shoulds, just you. Step 2, brain dump for 3 to 5 minutes. Grab a notebook, your planner, or even the Notes app on your phone. Write this prompt at the top. Right now, I feel. And then just write. No structure, no editing. Let it be messy. Let it be honest. Get everything out of your head and onto paper. You're not trying to fix anything here. You're just witnessing it. Step 3, pick one small thing. After that pause, the next step isn't to overhaul your life. Look at what you wrote. Is there any one tiny task or habit that feels supportive? What would feel good or helpful right now? Maybe it's drink some water. Maybe it's reply to that one email. Maybe it's stretch for 2 minutes. You're not doing everything. You're doing one thing. That's your next step, and that's enough. Step 4, reset your space or body. Do something that shifts your physical state, not to be productive, but to reconnect with your body. Stand up, stretch, Drink water, tidy one corner of your desk, open a window, step outside for a breath. A small shift in your body creates a shift in your energy. Step 5, breathe and refocus. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Hold. Let yourself settle. You've done enough. Then, if it feels right, open your planner again. But this time, look at it with a softer lens. You're not here to conquer the day. You're here to support yourself through it. Here's a bonus step, a phrase to say out loud. Now, if you're comfortable, say this with me, or just think it quietly to yourself. I'm allowed to start again. One small step is enough. Let that settle into your nervous system because it's true. You don't have to wait for the perfect mood, the right planner, or a big breakthrough. You can start again gently right now. This simple 15-minute ritual isn't about getting everything done. It's about finding yourself again in the middle of the mess. The next time you feel stuck, I hope this gives you a way through that doesn't feel like pressure, just kindness in motion. So here's your gentle reminder today. You don't need to push your way out of stuckness. You can pause your way forward. The first step is naming how you feel. And that, my friend, is enough for today. And if this episode helped, send it to a friend who might be feeling stuck too. Let's remind each other that we're not alone. Save or bookmark this episode and come back to it anytime you need a reset. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourself. Go gently. Start small. You've got this. Talk to you next week.